This year, everybody here. Year of success, year of breakthrough, year of demonic breakthrough, financial breakthrough, bad mind breakthrough. So nothing can stop on the year. Alright? But the key to it though, we have to draw closer to God. Yeah, we have to draw closer to God. So if you even say, alright, thank you Father God, one time when we wake up a morning time, we're going to do it 2 and 3. Alright? Yeah, we're going to seek Him more than here. That is the key. That is the key. Throughout the coming year. And keep on asking for guide you and protect you. You know, we're not slip up. Alright? So Happy New Year to each and everyone again. Happy New Year. My wonderful peeps. All who there with me from last year before the last, boy, me I tell them I'm grateful for now. I'm grateful for now.
I go 1 2 years me there for this issue.
Yeah, you're going more than 2 years.
Yeah, so it run over.
Yeah, it run over and you know.
Yeah, me I check it.
Yeah, it trended.
It's around to the family.
Yeah. Yeah man, me just want to tell the guys thanks. Thanks again one more time. Thanks a million, cause me I tell you we go through struggles, you know. We go through fight, tears, sweat, blood. We go through it last year. So this year we just you know, as I said, draw closer to God. Take the time go through. Yeah. Platform wise, you know, so we have to upgrade the platform. Some more something have to go add to it, you know, the entertainment have to go turn up because the rest of team members they might not know, you know, but me knowing how much this platform mean to you guys and me know the joy it bring to you guys. Cause sometimes when Teen Nation go on now, when log into Teen Nation, when you don't remember about nothing else, when you don't remember about no problem, when you don't remember about no sickness, when you don't remember about no stress. I just the love of Teen Nation. Alright, so imagine going that constantly. That bring one of the greatest joy to me. Yeah man, that one I think bring the greatest joy to me. Know how much this platform means to you guys. Hey, all the lady the way we have a cancer. She tell me say when Teen Nation and she don't remember about no cancer business.
The block.
Yeah. I just we know as a people for just, you know, continue to do the right thing and, you know, love and cherish each other. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, and share a platform. Any little thing you see where you don't like, you know. You can always call me or inbox me, I will sort it out because, you know, me and for the people, I listen to you know. Right? Yeah, me know some platform where I run on where when you can't get no feedback now. When you can talk to me. Yeah, I remember for full platform different. Full platform totally different from every platform in Jamaica. You know why? You know what build a platform? The greatest thing I build platform, the team. Yeah, it's a team thing. Yeah, it's a team thing, a team. Entertainment. And the next thing too, over YouTube, everybody have their own profile on YouTube. For example, you want to know who is Auntie Rena, you go on YouTube, you type in Auntie Rena, and you know, you get Auntie Rena history. The reason with that we do a look at documentary like for example, the reason with her when she born, things like that when she had kids and you know, school and things like that. From this until now, yes, Rena got her own one Saita, Dan Tapping. Everybody on the team have their own little documentary we have over YouTube. Yeah, when you can just pull up that anytime. Alright? Yeah. Because you may not know, you know, I can put her out there and somebody say, alright, you are gone. I take some of the stress off of you, I go help you take care of for the month. Just by watching fair documentary. Dan Tapping now can be the same thing, you know. So each one of them, I mean, you have good people. You have good people all over the world who are ready for help. Our platform great, you know. Yeah, man. You know, I know so platform are normal. I did hear when the lady tell me say she had try to get through with the homeless lady, Jamaican lady who did homeless. and to reach out to multiple people and it never work out. And see the now, the lady reunite with her daughter. So we think not normal. I know nobody come over and feel like it's a teenager normal. No. You are like a chain connected to all over the world. Run back through Jamaica and go back around the world again. Yeah. That's how we chain connect. Because enough of my people tell me they're in a store and they hear people talk about T-Nation. Then they can trade. They hear people talk about T-Nation. Then they can plane. They hear people talk about T-Nation. I tell you. Yeah. All over. This lady says she in a supermarket, a female voice that she hear. Female voice that she hear. When she go down and brought the corner, one lady that I watch T-Nation, lady a shot me, you know. Rest her phone in her trolley. And they a shot me and listen to T-Nation. But the greatest thing still, God-fearing, respectable, and have an understanding towards life. And have an understanding towards everything, you know. Because I tell them all the while, say, Father God set me to do this. And that can't change, so. We platform have run for a very long time. I want to know my prayer warriors them for just pray for health and strength for me, because fight out there, you know. Yeah, the fight is out there. Yeah, the fight is out there, but God am my shield. Some prayer warriors I remember, if a matter of fact, I want to pray me up. As soon as life done, you know, just pray me up here. Yeah, drop a word of prayer from reach out to the big man and say, alright, 1 more year now, 3 years. Yeah, we have many more years to go. Yeah, the kids and the grandkids them are grow up now in T-Nation. Pass on to my kids them. Yeah, same T-Nation. A trademark, we can't fade out. As I say, as long as Father got in it, can't stop. But the Christmas is not shape up nice to me at all. Last year, when we make everybody alright, we could alright about this year. Might pass on and still so it's how them part there go, them iPad there. Waka can't cut them part there, no? Them string grass. Yeah, the long grass like fever grass.
Guinea grass, them kind.
They're high grass, you know.
Yeah.
And you had that kind of part where you just one and see or something. There are 3, there are 1, there are 3 something.
I'm born in football. Aspirations.
Right.
But right here now,
Go too much to go cut.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I'm going to say.
Alright, we're gonna spray it down.
Because we can cut it, grow out of hand.
Yeah.
How can I
Yeah,
cut
let's
it
pray.
down?
Alright, all just rolling in. Happy New Year to each and every one. As I said, a year a phone year. Nothing can stop you know, that year. Nothing or no one. As I said, the key to it, draw closer to God. You get up in the morning, you used to tell Father God, thank you 1 time, tell him 2 and 3. Alright, I better feel 10, 15. Yeah. Alright. All of my genuine people, I love when you hear. Yeah, I thought genuine love. Genuine love, because the things I want to do, I need to do it. I need to do it. And I chose the moment, and I chose me to be through me. Boy, I want to see me heart. Know this a little young boy. But not change, nothing can change it. First. So what going on my piece? We are not. Boy, I never ever saw one live. I don't see your name in the comment section yet. Never ever.
Who's her name?
We are not. Me Sharon Pusey. Remember the first time I call her name, I say I want something, Sharon something is. Auntie Cynthia. Love and respect our spiritual leader. Uncle Bishop. Happy New Year, my general. Yeah, man. A girl that live over here too, you know. She there good then. Remember the boy look off in your ear. Nadine. Nadine over a long time too, you know. Yeah, Jean White. Sylvia Price. Lovely Dyer. Corinne Gibson. Sophia Reed. You have Jennifer Newland. Marlene Blake. Ferguson. What kind of Ferguson is? You didn't see Ferguson? Okay. Audrey Anderson. Audrey, live over here. I'm not calling you. Go on. You call some name when you see. Karen Stewart. Karen, live over here. Go on. I'm not calling you. Chrissy Young. Chrissy Young, long time I not see you. Say my last name there. Chrissy Young. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Miss Arlene. Miss Arlene, I want to join the platform. Miss Arlene, come like a day over here, 10 years. No, me I tell you, because I want to go see Miss Arlene. Alright, all of my people them will just rolling. May I pronounce everything that's good pound now. Show the coming here. Yeah, but as I say, I have to draw closer to God. Yeah, closer to God. Oh, the next thing too. Show only go on one time for 2 times for the week. Alright, if I'm not for clean and straight, Tuesday night live out it starting next week. So when we go Saturday, we're not come back live until Thursday and Saturday. So Thursday and Saturday. Thursday and Saturday. Yeah. Yeah, Thursday and Saturday. So, no more Tuesday night live.
No more Tuesday night. Thursday and Saturday.
Yeah, so Thursday, Gospel Thursday, and Saturday, Outer Bar.
So cut down.
Yeah, say cut down.
So cut down.
Yeah. No, the Thursday now go to bar. The Thursday I done a yard, man.
The Thursday
So 2 times. 1 a yard, 1 abroad. Yeah, so 2 times for a week.
Gospel Thursday up at the yard. Gospel Thursday now keep out a bar. I'm going to do live I keep out there. You know.
So I'm sorry for taking away Tuesday from but it's reason.
You see it? Cost money. That place is expensive. Everybody I look right over.
Hey. I don't know this is a fence, but I help a fence, so you say yard big.
Yeah,
I have a fence with bamboo that look like one land.
Yes, alright. You want to go
I saw the lot still.
You want to go
I saw the lot still.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
If you have a fence, fear people tell me say when you thinking like going in they want fence it, but you just can't come in with the help too.
That's not important right now. I did go up by front there, so.
You know that inside when that
okay.
Come and repeat.
But that more you must spend on that without wanting to towards that.
Then you not telling?
Then you not telling?
Yeah man, me reason there. Me reason. Yeah man, there are people now can reason.
Yeah, she will hear what you're saying. She not too, you know, ignorant.
Alright. At the expense. Because every day when show go on, some of them may have to give back their fear because the driver can go so. If you come back and pick up, if you go so. That take too much time. So you see who live so, you have to give them their fear. And who live so, the driver carry them home. Alright? Next thing again, remember say majority of them now a majority of them are hellers. When they come, you have to make sure so they eat. Next thing again too, sometimes they have a look at something for them and say, boss, you more and this, you got to deal with that. I have to make sure so they get that. Cause as I said, they not pressure me, but yes, when they link me, I have to make sure so, you know, I did it for them. So it expensive. Plus DJ, I have to pay a DJ. King Mo's. Yeah, so I have to cut back some of my expense. Yeah, this year my year to push myself to the limit. And that me I gotta do so. Maybe when things pick up back. But true, I don't like take nothing from one in the rest of entertainment. You know,
I want that.
I don't take any entertainment from. I don't want to do that, but I have to do what I have to do. So got me bill up. Yeah, kind of easy, you know, guys. And people might feel say, you know, through me are in a platform and me have money and this and that, you know. Even on self, people on self, through they are foreign. People feel like say, alright, oh, this and that. No, you think foreign easy? Foreign rough, you know.
Me know. My niece tell me.
You got foreign right now. You're not building a house over there. You have to find somewhere rent. You have to find food, you have to pay bills.
Where over there?
Yeah. If you don't have a car, transport.
Me niece have been car over there and he have a van down.
It's rough, me know it's rough. That's why I'm grateful for anything when I send.
If he live with their son, we drive it Thomas.
Anything when I send, I'm grateful for it and me I tell them I shall forever pronounce blessing upon him, guys. As Father God for multiply on the food basket. It's kind of easy. You know, easy. Yeah, enough people, you know, not have it, you know. Live from paycheck to paycheck, you know, and then squeeze a little thing out of it, you know, even them bills money, and then squeeze a little thing out of it, you know, just to send come out here, you know. But you see them people, God always look out for them kind of people, because them people have, I tell you, heart of a gold. Yeah. Kind of easy now to give nowadays, you know, versus when they're not nothing. Right,
yeah?
That's what I say, you know, make no sense to not have the pure heart they have giving and, you know, you know, draw closer to God, you have to draw closer to Him.
Why can come out and why do something?
Sometimes I guide and protect you, you know, but you must say, you know,
yes,
you not pay much attention, you not have a relationship with you.
Help out with the life we're going.
So that we feel for the most time, have a relationship with God.